it is unlikely that chat will have a significant impact on the job of a developer. Chat is a tool that uses natural language processing to generate text based on input prompts, but it is not capable of performing complex tasks or creating software. Developers are responsible for designing, building, and maintaining software applications and systems, which requires a range of skills and expertise that go beyond text generation. That being said, chat and other natural language processing tools can be useful for developers in certain contexts. For example, a developer might use chat to generate sample text for testing the functionality of a chatbot or text-based user interface. Additionally, chat and other language models may be used as part of the development process for applications that rely on natural language processing, such as language translation or voice recognition systems. Overall, chat is a tool that can be useful for developers in certain contexts, but it is not a replacement for the skills and expertise that are required for a career in software development.